from northern Wisconsin, so I like to sleep cool. My husband Carl's the devil, so he likes to sleep hot.
Oh, I'm not the devil, babe. I'm a devil.
But you're my devil. Who's my devil?
I'm your devil.
Still, we fight a lot because I get too hot and Carl gets too cold. So either we fight over the thermostat or I have to cast him out to the couch. Get Carl!
Laura.
Get me to the couch! Even if you're not married to the spawn of Satan, over half of couples disagree on bedroom sleep temperature. I've tried everything. Bedroom fans just dry out my eyes without cooling me under the covers, and most mattresses get me hot and sweaty. Some companies paint them blue and call it cooling technology, but those guys are just Carl's marketing friends from hell.
Classic.
We spend a third of our lives in bed. Why can't it be comfortable? Introducing BedJet, the world's first rapid cooling and heating system just for your bed. With BedJet's patented air-driven technology, you can cool down or warm up on either side of the bed. Whether you like to sleep hot or cold, you can customize BedJet to your preferences. BedJet works instantly, and you can control it from your phone, tablet, or remote control. It's the kind of spooky witchcraft Carl goes crazy for.
Oh, how am I doing this?
Wow,
Babe,
Carl.
babe, look.
Yeah, I see it. It's a lifesaver. Before we got our BedJet, we were this close to splitting up.
What?
Oh, from our old bed.
Oh.
Because we'd be divorced. Only BedJet solves the real problem, humidity. Just like humidity makes weather feel hotter, humidity makes your bed feel hotter. And beds trap body humidity like a middle school locker room, making you feel hotter, unlike a middle school locker room. Luckily, the BedJet's quiet cooling system circulates fresh air between the sheets, instantly wicking away sweat. Just look at BedJet versus a cooling technology mattress. With BedJet, you can go from hot and steamy to cool and fresh in 30 seconds. Or if you get too cold, the BedJet circulates warm air everywhere, making your sheets feel toasty like they just came out of the dryer. In fact, BedJet heats your bed 10 times faster than an electric blanket.
I've died and gone to hell.
BedJet is the best solution for cold feet.
I still don't want a baby.
Not like that, Carl.
I'm not ready to be a dad.
And when the BedJet quietly streams air into the patented BedJet cloud sheet, you'll feel like you're literally sleeping in a cloud. Okay, maybe not literally. So if you care about sleep, which is why some people buy beds, click the link above to get a BedJet today. Cooling technology mattresses are like children. They cost thousands of dollars and hardly work. The BedJet costs a fraction of that price and always works.
Like stepchildren.
Plus, it's silky quiet and so sleek, it fits right under your bed. You won't even notice it's there.
Like stepchildren.
You're like a cat. And if you get night sweats, check out the sweat test. BedJet dries over 8 times more sweat than a cooling mattress. BedJet is the first device ever that's clinically proven to relieve bedtime symptoms of menopause, like poor sleep and hot flashes. Now the only hot flasher in this house is my husband. Put some pants on, Carl!
Why? It's Tuesday.
Is that when you think pants should come off? Whether you want a BedJet alone or with a partner. Every BedJet comes with a no-sweat guarantee. Try it risk-free for 60 days. Free shipping. If you don't love it, send it back for a full refund and free return shipping. It's pure heaven. God, it's a metaphor, Carl! Carl, it's a metaphor! Get down! No! It's fine. We're fine. Thanks to BedJet, Carl and I are getting a full night's sleep and a full day's living. BedJet is the highest rated mattress product on Amazon, with 89% of customers giving it 5 stars.
The other 11% are from hell.
So buy a BedJet today.
Or steal one for free.
Do not steal one.
You could, though.
Just buy one.
A lot of good ideas.
That's literally the opposite of a good idea.
Well, time will tell.
Time has told. It's called the prison system.
It's a good way to go.
We don't agree on a moral level. Stop looking for a better mattress. Make your mattress better with BedJet. Just click the link, okay?
Meet GoChair, the most stable and portable seat designed for any adventure. The sturdy and comfortable GoChair sits tall and packs small by folding to the size of a water bottle, making it perfect for taking and storing anywhere. Forget taking 2 chairs with 2 hands on multiple trips. Now you can carry 3 times as many in one journey. GoChair is designed so you can easily carry 6 at once. And unlike other chairs that can take half a minute or more to construct, GoChair instantly opens and sets up in less than 5 seconds. Just pop it open with one motion and extend the telescoping arms. That's it. And when you're ready to go, just press the button to release the frame, put away the arms, and wrap it up to stow away. So you can spend less time hauling and more time enjoying where it counts. Weighing under 3 pounds, GoChair can hold over 100 times its own weight, with stability up to 300 pounds. Featuring quick-drying nylon canopy, the GoChair is built for durability and all types of weather. From lake days in spring and summer vacations to fall getaways and winter sports, GoChair is the last set of portable chairs you'll ever need to own. Based in Santa Barbara, California, we have decades of manufacturing experience and are ready to make and ship your GoChairs.
Hi, I'm Sam Chesluck, one of the GoChair founders. Look, life is short, time is limited, and we want to fill our lives with great experiences. Just like you, we love getting outside with our friends and family, and we're always looking for ways to optimize our gear to allow for our active lifestyles.
We have tested over 12 functional prototypes before arriving at the final GoChair design. We released production tooling on all GoChair components. You can order with full confidence. GoChair is ready to ship.
We want GoChair to get you out more often in comfort wherever you go. Please support us and buy your GoChair today. We know you will love it just as much as we do.
Where do you want to go with GoChair? Pre-order now to receive exclusive discounts at thegochair.com.
This clock is old. This clock is really old. And this clock is same old, same old. Isn't it time for an upgrade? Introducing Glance Clock, the clock that can tell you that, and that at a glance. Glance Clock's brightly lit LEDs represent information you choose to see ahead of time. It tells you who's calling, gives you reminders, shows you the weather, and displays your schedule by showing you all your appointments, meetings, and events in different colors, so you know exactly how your day is laid out. Let's see how Jeff uses his Glance Clock. Connect Glance Clock to your fitness tracker and have it show how well you slept, or didn't sleep. How many steps you've taken, or haven't taken. Check what the weather is like so you know what to wear before going outside. Or use the timer, so you don't forget about the important things. And know when to leave the house when your Uber is outside. Glance Clock lets you make the right decisions and take action.
Hey, I'm Anton, the creator of Glance Clock. We've decided to create a product that seamlessly combines beauty and information. A clock was a perfect item to upgrade because it's familiar, beautiful and functional. At a quick glance, you will know more than just the time. All information you'll want will be right in front of you. We are really excited about what we've created and we would really love your support.
So leave this behind and move forward. Pre-order your glance clock today.
Do you remember the first time you streamed a video on your smartphone? At that moment, you were no longer tied to your living room for your entertainment or to your office for work. You could access your content anywhere. But there's one small problem: your small mobile device screen. Almost all of us prefer large displays for entertainment and for work. When those work deadlines are approaching, a large desktop monitor or a dual screen setup will significantly boost your productivity. So what if there was a way to have the mobility of a phone, tablet, or laptop without losing the benefit of a large screen? It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what we did. Introducing SPUD, the spontaneous pop-up display. SPUD is a high-resolution, 24-inch display that collapses down to the size of a book and weighs less than 2 pounds. This revolutionary product is the first truly collapsible display and the only device that gives you both portability and a large screen for entertainment and productivity.
Throughout the SPUD design process, we focus on image quality and ease of use. We use the latest projection technology combined with our own custom optics to project a large, high-quality image over a very short distance. This enables SPUD to produce a bright, sharp image that's about 4 times larger than a laptop screen and 23 times larger than a smartphone screen. To make SPUD as easy to use as possible, we designed to work just like a ruggedized umbrella. You can pop up the screen in a very intuitive way, and you can have the SPUD set up and running in less than 10 seconds. And since SPUD is also lightweight, battery-powered, and uses a hassle-free HDMI connection, you can get straight to the big screen you want without wasting any time on setup.
One of the most exciting things about SPUD is the many different ways that you can use it. On the entertainment side, SPUD is basically a portable TV or movie screen. Whether you're traveling, camping, hanging out with friends at a coffee shop, or just lounging around your house, it's the big screen that you can use anywhere. For work, having a dual screen setup is great for productivity, but you can also use it for presentations and as a collaboration tool. It's great for trade shows, sales visits, or any kind of field work. SPUD gives you the flexibility you need no matter the situation. And it's great because it's a complete solution in a very small package that you can take anywhere.
We have the team, the product, and the vision to execute on SPUD. And now, all we need is your support. By backing us on Kickstarter, you're becoming part of our founding community. As a special thank you, we will be adding all of our Kickstarter backers to an exclusive VIP list that gives you early access to discount codes, product updates, and beta testing opportunities. So Kickstarter, what will you do with your SPUD?